In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over with you your activity report, or as some people refer to it, your analytics. One of the best parts about the wedding experts is if you have multiple listings, if you have multiple businesses in the wedding industry, or if you have a banner ad or events, if you have multiple items listed on the wedding experts, your activity report or analytics is individual for every item. And that's great for you so you know how each individual item is performing. So on the screen here, you will see that I'm logged into the dashboard for the mock wedding business. And this is just a sample account that is set up. Over here on the right-hand side, you see a snapshot of activity report. This shows you here the total viewers that have been to the detailed listing of your business on the wedding experts. This also will tell you how many website views you've had, how many leads. You can click right below it to see all leads. If you need more information about leads, you can watch that tutorial as well. And then also reviews. There's also a tutorial if you need more information about reviews. If you have more items on the wedding experts than just one that is shown here, each item has its own section down the left-hand side. So you can easily click stats in the box, for example, mock wedding business, and it will take you straight to this snapshot that shows you reporting for your listing. Once your listing is approved on the wedding experts and not a sample one like this one you see here, you will also see a graph that appears in the middle of your dashboard screen that will show you each month your difference in traffic. Hopefully that helps you understand more about the analytics that is available in each of your items on the wedding experts.